Hi guys, once again I came with another video. In my previous video I discussed about the factorization of the quadratic equation, and I used quadratic formula also in that, and I also discussed how to find out the discriminant value using that quadratic formula. So I am taking two examples over there. These are the board questions, and if you can solve such type of questions, so it will be easy for you to solve the question in the board also. So I'll take one first example. This is as per the question. It is written over there: find the value of the k in the quadratic equation having real roots. It's already mentioned over there that this equation has real roots. So this is the quadratic quadratic formula. So this is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac oblique 2a. So I told you earlier also that in this d is a discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. If value of d discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, so the equation has got real roots. And in case the value of d is less than 0, then it won't have not real roots. The equation don't have real roots. So accordingly, when we will we'll solve this equation, and we'll find out whether what are the roots, because this equation has a real roots, and in this equation, second equation, we have to find out whether it has got real roots or not. So first we'll try this. So this equation kx square minus 2 under root 5 x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the normal equation of this. It's a normal quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So we'll find out the coefficient of x square and coefficient of x in this and coefficient of c. So we can write over there that the value of a is k, and here b is equal to 2 minus 2 under root 5 and c is equal to 4. So if it, as per the condition of the discriminant, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So we'll substitute this value in this. So this is b is minus 2 under root 5 and whole square minus 4 multiply value of a is k and value of c is 4. So we'll take the square of this under root minus 2 under root 5. So this is 4 multiplied by 5, and if we multiply this also, this is 16k minus 16k. So the value comes here. This is 20 minus 16k. So as per the conditions which I told you earlier, because it's a this equation has got the real roots, so here the condition applies that because this has got real roots, so the value of d could be either equal or greater than 0. So we'll put the value of the d in place of here d here. So this is equal to 20 minus 16k. The value of the d is 0 here. So we'll take 16k other side. So 16k is equal to 20 and k is equal to 20 oblique 16. So we'll factorize it. 4 into 5 and 4 into 4. We'll cancel 4. So the value of the k is 5 by 4. So this value is a real number. So that's from this it reflects that this equation has got real roots, and this is the value of d is more than 1. And I'll take another question. I'll take second question over here. Another question is 3x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. We have to ascertain whether this equation has got real roots or not. So in the similar way, we'll take using this formula and discriminant formula, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. We'll substitute the value. In this equation, the a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 5. So we'll substitute value over here. B is equal to b square is minus 6 square minus 4, a is 3 and c is 5. We'll simplify. 6 square is 36 minus this is 60, so it comes to minus 24. So here the value of d is minus 24. So from our equation, this one, and we see with the condition of real roots, that the value of d should be greater than or equal to 0, only then the roots are real. If it is less than 0, the equation don't have real roots. So d is equal to minus 24. So d is less than 0. The value is coming less than 0. So therefore this equation does not comply, and it won't have real roots. So like that you can solve other questions from your book, and if you face any problem you can write in my comments. I'll try to resolve your problems. Thank you very much for the watching. Thank you.